Kulu kulu, knock knock, on a new year. It's a new me, new you, new age as we open a new page. I am your host, Umdonori MH. Welcome to the podcast. Can we open our minds and focus? Silote imicondo, sidla inkondlo, but the future is on us. As well as ngene endzabeni, as I introduce you to one of the fast growing lo mfana ngizaba mlonyeni. Ushaya inkondlo emva kwenkondlo, taking social media by storm, king of views, ne following iyasho kuye, lendvi sengadini, umkhondo wesizwe. I'm sorry, I mean MK, welcome. Introduce yourself to us. Usitshele kabantu ngubani.
Yabe siyangichweba inkondlo yathi angithule kusale kukhuluma yona. Mdonori, you've just lit my throat as you hand over the slot. Ngibonga kunginotice, ngeke ungivunlise ungimukele kamnanzi kuhle kwabhotela. Mkhondo, ha? Nayi lento seyingena MK iligama.
I've been following you closely lately. You keep on posting. You one of the fast growing kule industry mfana. You are above limits. You pushing poem after poem. Kanvele what keeps you going?
I'm a diehard fan of my own poetry. Kuhle kwesihlele seChiefs. Imbhalo yami ikuphila kulabanyenti. Ngilenye yetizatfu tekubhala kanti kwenta umehluko kule industry ngiko lokuhamba embili kuze inkondlo itawubonakala esiveni nabo esiveni basive.
Nice, clean and clear. Liqiniso lithi the industry need to appreciate the effort you putting. Mr. Cool, calm and collected, collaborated with Mars, Twin, Lizwe, Thandumusa to mention a few. Eqinisweni isitaladi siyaphithitela, niyendi liyapheka, liyaphaka, liyathulula uyabona. This year engabe khona inebhodweni lakho losiphekele kona.
Schulo lesimnanzi ngilesekucaleni. I cooked and delivered asacala umnyaka with the fast growing poet Lizwe Umlangeni. Poem titled umthandazo wami. Kwamnyalo kwashalbhodo ngiphinze ngipheke. Kwamanje ngisamise indlebe noma nini litiko litabe liphusha.
Aliphushe elibhodo kuphakelwe kungaze kushe. Keep on dishing nice poems asendlule ke lapho sishesh. Sibuyele emuva to the previous year. Poetry in comfort. First of all, you did well, that's obvious. Nalabo cudzelene nabo, you didn't give them a comfort zone. Wabhodla kwevakala washiya bavevetela. Ngisho nale bekathi yena uyimvu angafakaza mfana you are a lion. Are you still willing to take competitions now this year as we press on?
Poetic Demon, this one is a bit challenging. First of all, shout out to Poetry in Comfort for giving me a chance and congratulations to the winner. Kepha wati lo idlile unelicala nalonyaka ngikhwebule amandla lamashi imicudzelano itofana nesinkwa sami sekuhlephula ngiphinze ngihlephulele labanye ngelwadi kuthi ayingafakwe enhlitweni. Ayi funny enough labanye bagcine bagowa mbamba.
Aye, funny enough, before we end the podcast, bathi wena wathenga red van ulibhekise ku Poetry in Comfort petrol dololo yaphelele endleleni. To me that sounds more like a diss. Akese uyithi vu uconzise tigwegwe Mr. Mkhondo kulesiva yo ayilayona usiyo imvu mhlawumbe na uvela kule titaladi lomfana ngathula sithu.
Ngepen game ngibuyile kuhle kwe COVID-19 ngicale ngibonge kungivunlisa mahiya ngiboleke sagila ngimgile lo mfana nayi imvi idlalele emlonyeni wengonyama mkhudeni lo mfana sodzamela kabi nasemgedzeni wengonyama noma nini ngamchacha chochocho ngoba uyazuba ufana nesicoco.
Mcolele mkhawulo uyadzamela mncane utawuzakhali. You can say your goodbyes, uvumele inkondlo ikhulume lana sivale. Sibonge isikhathi sakho sikufisele lokuhle njalo inkondlo ngawe ikhule.
Lokungapheli kuyahlola, inkondlo iyohlezi ihlola. Loholwa ngimoya uyobonga ukuthi nihlale nathi kwaze kwaba la. Yathi inkondlo uthi ngithule ke nami kusale kukhuluma yona. Yithi MK Straps D Poet.